my channel! Today, I will be doing a DIY video. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginawa itong suot ko ngayon. It's a halter top. Ang tagal-tagal ko na gusto bumili ng halter top. Nagpunta ako na Forever 21. I tried on a few and it didn't work out. As in, sobrang lalaki dito. Basta walang maganda tingnan sa akin. It's either sobrang laki dito sa armhole na makikita yung aking boobies or sobrang laki naman dito sa leeg. And gustong-gusto ko talaga magkaroon ng isa. Kaya nga lang, walang magkasya. So, hinanap ko online, like, you know, mga DIY. Kasi mahilig ako sa mga ganyan eh, DIY. And nakita ko doon na pwede kang gumawa ng halter top out of leggings. And I was like, that's perfect. Kasi meron akong leggings na hindi ko na ginagamit. But yeah, it looks like this. Actually, ano to, parang cropped. That right there. Okay, so before I start with the DIY, I just want you guys to know na merong sewing na ganap sa DIY na to. As in, konting-konting sewing lang naman yung involved. Kung hindi kayo marunong, pwede ka magpatulong sa mama mo or sa lola mo. I'm pretty sure meron sa pamilya ang marunong. It's not a big deal at all. But yeah, I just want you guys to know that. So yeah, without further ado, ipapakita ko na sa inyo kung paano ko to ginawa. Okay, so you will need, of course, a pair of leggings yung hindi nyo na ginagamit para hindi kayo masayangan ng bonggang-bongga. Tapos, you will need needle and thread. Yung kakulay ng leggings mo, of course, para hindi tsaka tingnan pag nagsew ka na mamaya. If you have a sewing machine, then that would be great. Ako, personally, wala akong sewing machine. I do not even know how to sew using the sewing machine. Tapos, you will need a marker. I'm using a white eyeliner here. Pair of scissors. Tapos, mga pins. Now, draw this pattern sa leggings mo, and sorry you guys, it is out of frame here, but I'm gonna post the picture right here. Now you can take a screenshot right now para gawin yung reference kapag ginawa nyo na tong DIY na to. Now you're ready to cut the pattern. Make sure to cut 1 to 2 inches from the pattern para meron kang allowance, just to make sure. Do not forget to keep the rest of the fabric na kinat nyo kanina. And then you should have something that looks like this. Now, I suggest you try this on before you start sewing, just to make sure na kasya yung halter top mo before mo siya isew. After I tried it on, I found out na kailangan kong mag-cut ng few inches pa. So, I just did that. And then I suggest you try it on again just to be 100% sure na okay yung fit ng halter top natin. When you try it on, make sure na meron kang extra fabric kasi nga, diba, isosew mo siya. Especially that part right there where you put the tie later on for the actual like halter top. Now you are ready to sew, but before that, take your pins first. This is going to be your guide sa pagsusew mo mamaya. So make sure nakalagay na lahat ng pins mo, and then now you are ready to sew! So, I am just doing the basic stitch right here. As in, sobrang basic lang. Again, if you do not know how to sew, ask someone to do it for you. Now, finish sewing all that. And then, when you sew this part right here, make sure na meron kang space to put your tie later on. Now, it's time to get the tie for the actual halter. So, that's where our extra fabric comes in place. So, yeah, just cut it to your desired length and make sure na isi-stretch mo yung fabric para hindi siya tsaka tingnan. And then it's time to kind of assemble this. In my case, I made sure na malaki yung space para lagyan ng tie ko. If you happen to have like really small space, this is going to be very helpful. So maglagay ka lang ng pin sa tie mo, tapos ipasok mo dyan. Mas magiging easier siya. And now you have a halter top from your old leggings. That's basically it for this DIY. Really simple. Again, if you do not know how to sew, I'm pretty sure someone in the family knows how to sew, and hindi naman siya as in sobrang complicated. But yeah, it's very easy, and finally, meron ako sariling halter top ko na as in bonggang-bonggang fit naman talaga sa akin. Please do like this video if you want to see more DIY videos from this channel. Subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you in my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye guys!